Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a list in HubSpot. If you find this helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get started. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your marketing and sales tools. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu with several options. From this menu, click on CRM. This is your customer relationship management hub, where all your contact information and customer data lives. It's the central place for managing your business relationships and keeping track of everyone you interact with. After clicking into the CRM section, you'll see several options available. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This will open up your contacts database where you can view, manage, and organize all the people and companies you're working with. It's essentially your address book, but with much more functionality and detail. Now, look toward the top right corner of the contacts page. You'll notice a button that says Add Contacts. Click on that button, and a drop-down menu will appear with a few different options for adding contacts to your system. From this drop-down, click on Create New. This option allows you to manually add a single contact with all their details, which is perfect when you need to add someone specific rather than importing a large list. At this point, a form will appear on your screen with several fields to fill out. Start by inputting the contact's email address in the email field. This is typically the most important piece of information since HubSpot uses email as the unique identifier for each contact. Next, enter their first name and last name in the respective fields. These basic details help you identify and personalize your communications with this contact. After entering the basic information, you can choose a contact owner from the drop-down menu. The contact owner is the person on your team who will be responsible for managing this relationship and following up with this contact. This helps keep your team organized and ensures everyone knows who's handling which relationships. Next, input the contact's job title in the appropriate field. This information is useful for segmentation and understanding the person's role within their organization. Then add their phone number. Having a phone number gives you another way to reach out and ensures you have multiple contact methods available. Now you'll need to choose a life cycle stage from the drop-down menu. The life cycle stage indicates where this contact is in their journey with your business, whether they're a subscriber, lead, opportunity, or customer. This helps you understand and track how contacts progress through your sales funnel. After that, choose a lead status. This field helps you categorize the quality and readiness of the lead, such as new, open, in progress, or unqualified. It's another way to organize your contacts and prioritize your outreach efforts. Once you've filled out all the fields and double-check that everything looks correct, click the Create button. HubSpot will process the information and add this new contact to your database. You'll see a confirmation that the contact has been successfully created, and that's it. You've successfully added a new contact to your HubSpot CRM with all their relevant details. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.